do the same thing, but instead of a chain 1, we do a chain 2. So we attach it into here, so into the stitches, so right here. Okay, so we don't do it in between, not in the gaps, we do it within the stitch. So this counts as a chain 1, double crochet, chain 2. So now double crochet into here. So this is 2. Chain 2, 6, 7. Now chain 2, and then it's the same thing, half double crochet at the end. So here we have to kind of fit it into the last one, and half double crochet, and that's it. So here, just a little tip, and let me just cut that. So just a tip. So when you are doing this, you will need to do 8 of these. So to do 8, you will need to skip 1 and then do it into the next one. So it will be skip 1, next one goes here, skip 1, next one goes here, skip next. So 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then if you are planning to alternate the colors, what I found helpful is just doing all one color at a time. So I'd do blue here and then count 4 to do the next one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, the next one will go here, because this one will be the alternated color. So do it in the every 4th. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So those would be the blue. Then the in betweens would be the alternating color. So I'm gonna finish this, and then you can join me to see the next video.